So this is Caribbean Beach Resort, room 5330 with the fifth sleeper. Let's see, it's two beds in here. And then this is the fifth sleeper. Holds down. And you have the fifth bed with plenty of walking space. There's drawers. There's drawers underneath the bed. You have the TV. There's a mini fridge here. You have dual sliding doors to separate the bathroom from the bedroom. I do all the way closed here. Then you have the sink area, which is pretty nice. The dual vanity with a closet area. And then you have the much smaller, tighter space of the room with the toilet and the shower area. You have a nice space in the back for your bottles and such, and you do have the Disney provided soaps as well. Here's a view from the bathroom out towards the main living area, the bedroom, and the table.